Hello and welcome to this mytrbk tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to notify members. So let's say you're in the middle of a day and something goes wrong and you need to move the sound check by half an hour. So you could click there to all tour members and say sound check moved and click send, and that will send it to everybody's app either via a push notification on their phone or tablet, or via an email if they haven't got that. So I'm going to send a message to myself. If you click on select members rather than all tour members, you can either pick by tag, so I could click band and it would select all the band, or I could just click myself, which I'm going to do, and then click send on that, so it sends soundcheck move to me, and the message has been sent. So now that should appear on my phone, which it has. And if I go back to Firefox, where I'm signed in as me, as a tour member, you'll see notifications 1. Oh, there we go. Soundcheck moved. Notification from the Beetroot. So I'm going to click there and say mark all as read. And that is a simple way to contact either everyone or individuals on your tour. See you in the next video.